So today we'll be doing video assignment number 3, and what we have to do is try to determine what kind of reaction is between SN2, SN1, E1, and E2. And here you can see I have the list of the things that we need to determine, and basically you can see this is the substrate right here with the leaving group of chlorine, and also when you see that this is a nucleophile because of the oxygen and the isopropyl along with the hydrogen, and this is most likely going to be an SN1 reaction or a two-step process because it is not concerted. Here I am showing you the mechanism of what's going on. Basically, the first step is that chlorine leaves, and as you can see, this creates a carbocation as there's still one hydrogen there. And basically the next step is right here, is that this nucleophile donates a pair of electrons to this part, or basically it's adding itself, and what you can see is that it adds itself, but it loses a lone pair. So as you can see, there's now a plus sign on this oxygen, which it does not like. And so basically what happens is, because there's more of this nucleophile or the solvent, because it's all around, another one is going to come in and basically give it this lone pair or take the hydrogen away to make this oxygen happy, which then goes to right here. As you can see, has this isopropyl with the oxygen having two lone pairs, and as you can see right there. And then what happens is, because it takes this oxygen, or basically because this bond breaks for the hydrogen, it adds onto it, so it actually creates a different kind of conjugate acid, as you can see with the plus right there. And we also had to show you some examples of a strong base and strong nucleophile. And as you can see, this would be a good nucleophile because they're small and they're usually polarized. And here with the strong base, you can see that this is a very big, bulky base. As you can see, these CH3s take up a lot of space. So a lot of times when you want to use certain equations like elimination, these are good for elimination, but not SN1 or SN2. But yeah, that's it for video assignment number 3. Pretty tough subject, but I think that it's pretty cool how this stuff can work, and also how there's so many different options and rules that are set in chemistry.